Hi my vibrant beauties. If you want to see how I go from this to this in this extreme glow up with me transformation, just keep on watching. Woo child of ghetto. Let's get right into it. Y'all know my favorite primer is this Milk Makeup HydroGrip one. By the way, all products will be listed in the description bar below. I have changed up my foundation routine just a tad, but we're going to conceal with my favorite concealer. We're starting off with those two shades, the only shades I use, which is Amber and Coffee. Trying a new to me foundation with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in the shade Burkina. I know, I am late to the train, but I must say, I love this train because this foundation, honey, You all know my body is lighter than my face, so I have to go a few shades lighter with my foundation in order to match, and this matches perfect. I love this contour stick by Morphe. It gets me snatched, okay, in all the right places. I love using different setting powders, and I've recently been loving the Mercier translucent powder and honey to set the places I put concealer. if you're not using the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation to set your foundation, then what are you doing with your life? Really? I honestly don't know what I did before this Hourglass Veil translucent powder, because let me tell you, it is everything and more. Now y'all already know how I feel about these two. Like these two, this combo, hands down, the best to use for your brows. They're inexpensive and amazing. Just look at my brows, y'all. You don't see them? They on fleek, or is that still like 2019? So this is a little best kept secret for me. I like to use my Luxie flat definer brush and my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Amande or Amande. I don't know how you say it, child. And I will not stop. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what you say. I'm showing you this look because I'm going to recreate this look that I did a few years ago. As you can see, it says 2018. Since it's Pride Month and all, you know, I'll be using the James Charles and Morphe Artistry palette to achieve it. And all of the colors that I'm going to be used will be marked in the upper right left hand corner. I don't know, you gotta see. I prime my eyes using the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eyeshadow Primer, and honey, listen, this is the only primer I use now. Y'all see I'm on the struggle bus? Clearly this LA girl liner wasn't working, so she is not going to be listed below. But I will go in with this Urban Decay liner to fulfill my eyeliner needs, y'all. When I tell y'all this bronzer is chef's kiss, I mean, just look at it. Look what it does to your girl's face, y'all. Going in with my blushed volume 1 from Juvia's Place, I'm going to, rouge up these cheeks, you know what I'm saying? Like, just let them sparkle. No, I'm just playing, y'all. Just recently added this one to my routine, but I'm in love with it. This is the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel. I love it. That my face looks powdery. We're gonna unpowder this skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and we're just gonna set that into place. While my skin is still a little dewy, I'm going to go on with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter in Mo Honey, and let's just bling up this skin, y'all. You see that? You see that? Top mascara in my book of all time, I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes to prep for my lashes, to prep for my falsies. Using my Flutter lashes and Intoxicated, I'm going to do some magic for you all. This is by far my favorite brown liner. It's the Morphe color pencil in Trendsetter, and you can use it on your lips and your under eyes. You can just use it for anything. Taking my Juvia's Place lipstick from the Nude Chocolates line, and lady, let's go ahead and make these lips pucker ready. You know what I'm saying? Just I'm going to set my skin with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and oh my gosh, y'all, Now y'all see how this extreme glow up with me transformation went, because you clearly saw how I looked at the beginning, but this is the final look. And because I was feeling myself, this clip lasted longer than it was supposed to, because why not? I even slowed it down just so y'all can see how much I love this look. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share below. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you know every time I upload. And with that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out.